What if I told you that the world you live in is far stranger than anything in science fiction? That there are real facts, proven facts that sound so fake, your brain almost refuses to accept them. Today, we're diving into 10 true facts that sound impossible, but aren't. And trust me, the last one changes how you see reality itself. First up, humans glow. No, I'm not talking about an aura or a metaphor. You are literally glowing right now. Your body emits a faint, visible light caused by biochemical reactions inside your cells. When your body burns energy, it releases tiny particles of light called photons. The glow is real. It's just about 1,000 times too weak for our eyes to see. So, even in the darkest room, you're still shining. You're just on low brightness mode. Next, let's talk about time. Did you know it moves faster in space? Time does not move at the same speed everywhere. For astronauts aboard the International Space Station, time ticks by just a little bit faster than it does for us down here on Earth. This is because weaker gravity causes time to move differently. Now, the difference is tiny, just milliseconds over several months, but it proves something incredible. Time is flexible. It can stretch and shrink. Einstein was right. Here's a mind-bender for you. Sharks are older than trees. That sounds completely backward, but it's true. Sharks first appeared on Earth over 400 million years ago. Trees, on the other hand, only evolved around 350 million years ago. Sharks have survived multiple mass extinctions, asteroid impacts, and devastating climate disasters. Dinosaurs came and went, entire continents shifted, but the sharks just kept swimming. This next one is a real paradox. Your brain feels pain, but it cannot feel pain itself. Think about that. There are absolutely no pain receptors inside your brain tissue. This is why surgeons can perform brain surgery on patients while they are awake, talking and responding to questions. So when you get a headache, it's not your brain hurting. It's the surrounding nerves, muscles, and blood vessels sending those pain signals. Your brain is the master of understanding pain, but it never actually experiences it. Have you ever wondered if any food could last forever? Well, one does. Honey? Archaeologists have found jars of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. The unique chemistry of honey, its low water content and high acidity, makes it impossible for bacteria to grow. So if you store it properly, that jar of honey in your pantry could outlast civilizations. It's basically immortal food. Now, let's go outside. Did you know trees can talk to each other? Not with words, but through a massive underground network of fungi, sometimes called the Wood Wide Web. Through these fungal threads, trees can send nutrients to neighbors in need and even transmit warning signals. If one tree is being attacked by insects, it can alert other trees nearby, giving them a chance to activate their own defenses. Forests aren't just a collection of silent giants. They're a living, breathing, social community. There's a sound you can't hear that could kill you. It's a very low-frequency sound, below the range of human hearing, but your body can still react to it. At extreme levels, it can cause nausea, panic, hallucinations, and even organ failure. Some scientists believe infrasound might be the real explanation behind so-called haunted locations and those sudden, unexplained feelings of dread. You don't hear it. You feel it. Ready for an identity crisis? You share about 60% of your DNA with a banana. Yes, a banana. Now this doesn't mean you're half fruit. It means that many of the basic biological instructions for things, like cellular respiration and processing nutrients, are so fundamental to life that they overlap. DNA isn't just about making things look similar, it's about shared functions. Still, it's pretty humbling to realize how connected all life on Earth really is. Look up at the night sky. The moon is leaving us, very, very slowly. The moon is drifting away from Earth at a rate of about 1.5 inches every single year. This is due to the tidal forces between the Earth and the moon. Billions of years from now, it will have moved so far away that it might eventually escape Earth's gravity altogether. Our constant companion is on a very long, slow goodbye tour. And finally, the fact that will change how you see everything. The reality you experience is mostly empty space. Every object you see and touch, including your own body, feels solid, but it isn't. Atoms are over 99.999% empty space. The nucleus is tiny, and the electrons orbiting it are even smaller, with vast nothingness in between. If you could remove all the empty space from the atoms in your body, you would shrink down to the size of a single grain of sand. You're not solid matter. You are a swirling cloud of energy, organized in a way that creates the illusion of being solid. The world isn't boring. It's unbelievable. We just forget to look closely sometimes. If even one of these facts surprised you, hit that subscribe button, because history, science, and reality itself are far stranger than any fiction you could imagine. Thanks for watching.